guys, welcome back to my channel, Southern Yankee. I'm really excited because my Bolzano handbag came in this month and I'm so excited to see what we got and show you guys. So a little bit of information for you about Bolzano handbags. First of all, you can get either the like a base subscription for $33.95 a month or up it to the Luxe for $43. Usually that's what she sends me, is the Luxe, and it's usually over $350 in value total. The bags are somewhere in the $200 range. The regular $33 one, usually the bags are in like the $100, $125, $150 range. And for under 50 bucks, either one of these subscriptions is absolutely amazing. Now, you can buy your friends and family, your loved ones, a subscription. You can do a 3-month subscription or 6-month or a whole year of handbags, which would be so fun. The other thing you can do is they have one-time subscriptions. I'll put a couple here on the screen where you're going to know the bag you're sending to somebody. Like if you know somebody's style and they want a pink bag or a red bag or a white bag or a cream bag, you can pick it out and you're going to pay the price that it shows, and it comes with the accessories and everything. So you can send a one-time gift. I'm not sure if that's new. I don't remember seeing that before. I've been working with Bolzano handbags for a long time now, a couple of years at least, and I always enjoy getting their bags. In fact, I'm using one of their ones today, and it's very similar to one my daughter has, and we keep grabbing each other's bags by accident. We're both using a black bag right now. So I was using, I don't know if you guys remember, I had that beautiful baby blue bag, and I was using that, and it was so pretty for the summer. All right, so let's go ahead and see if we can't get in here. You do fill out a style profile as well. I'm going to take the goodies out. You fill out the style profile and you are going to let them know like what your likes, let's just sit comfortable, right? What your likes and your dislikes are, like if you want feet on your bags, if you like more structured bags, if you more like really big bags or small or medium size, you're going to kind of let them know what you like. If you are just like, hey, I'm like a tan, brown and black girl with bags, or maybe you want some color thrown in there, you're going to fill that out and you can change it. I can't remember what I was a little like hesitant at first, but I'm having so much fun with the bags. I'm a little bit more open now to like them sending me different bags. So it looks like I do have a smaller bag today. It comes packaged in a duster to keep it protected, and it says Bolzano and it says you deserve to be spoiled. And frankly, I do. You do too. We all deserve to be spoiled, don't we, ladies? All right, so let's see what we got. And then I'll show you, I also got like a whole bunch of like goodies this month. So we'll go through that as well. I liked, they were putting cards in here. I don't know if they still are. We've had a couple giveaways. I had one on my YouTube channel and one on my Facebook group page. Those have ended and the winners have gotten their products. But if you're not part of my Facebook group page, be sure and follow me there. We have some fun there, and that is just also Southern Yankee, and there's a few questions to ask to join, like where did you hear about the channel, blah blah, what are you interested in. And you can follow me on Instagram as well, which is Southern Yankee 15. Okay, so let's see. Oh, this is pretty. This reminds me of like a little Chanel bag or something. Okay, so we have a beautiful quilted bag with a chain strap. Let me get this off of here. I hate getting the paper off of these things because they always get on my nerves. I know we need them. Where did I have a little knife right here? I can probably get it off easier. Okay, I didn't get this paper off, but you can see it's got a gold chain, and looks like it, well, let's see. So here it is from the front. Let me give you guys a good up front. So it's just kind of like a camel color. There's the bottom, and it's edged in like black. And of course you have your really nice chain on it. And it's got the little clasp to lock and unlock. And it has the Bolzano hanging here, and it's zippered, which is nice. So you have a little bit. You have a little bit of safety. So this is like a going out, and you don't want to take a lot. It probably has enough to fit your phone and maybe a thin wallet in there for your credit cards and things like that. And you know, so it's a very specific bag. I think it's going to be a really nice bag for fall to add to my outfits. I guess you could probably double this up. Yep, you could double the chain up if you want to have it a little shorter, which is what I just did. Let me see if I can get this off of here. And we'll look at what else we got, because we got a bunch of goodies this month, which is exciting. Okay, here we go. There it is, friends. That's so cute, isn't it? And this can come off. You can keep this on or off, but you probably like add your like keys and stuff in here and then just stick it on the inside. But beautiful, beautiful bag. It's like a clutch, more of a clutch. Okay, I had to pause because Nitro heard the mailman. He's over here right now and he was getting all worked up. So let's see what else we have in the way of accessories. So this is the, I think, the Luxe subscription. So the first thing, what is this? Oh, how fun are these? These are like love story tattoos, metallic jewelry tattoos. Look at how beautiful those are for the beach. I would totally do this if I was on vacation, going on a beach to wear with my my beachy outfits. I think that's gorgeous. And I'm all about a temporary and not a real tattoo. So I've been thinking about getting a tattoo, but I just don't know what I would ever get. All right, then we also got a mini wireless speaker that looks like it goes in, it's got a built-in Li-ion battery, like maybe for, this got a little crushed, but it's got like a sticky thing on it, so you could stick it anywhere, so it's upside down. So there's a sticky part, and there's a little wireless speaker. So you can see here, it looks like you could attach it even to your phone. That's really cool. I'm happy to have that and try that out. That's a fun little gift. And then we have what looks like a bag of stuff. Okay. Oh, look at this. We have a wallet to go with our purse, I think. Yes. I like this. They've been doing this lately. I had gotten, with my blue one, I got in a wallet, and I used that all the time with it. So we got both the wallet, oops, the purse and the clutch and the wallet this month. I like that a lot. That's so cute. All right, and it also actually came in its own duster bag. I don't know if I showed you guys that. And then this is a little goodie bag here, but it says, congratulations, signing to receive surprise and styling each month. This month we've chosen our Karina. That's okay. So this is the Karina bag and Karina the clutch and the wallet, and it says this is constructed from PETA certified vegan leather, has a retail value of $115. Karina is part of our latest collection. It comes in black, white, and dulce. And what we love about this bag is its stylish turn lock, quilted structure, convenient crossbody strap, inside zipper, pattern exterior design, and structured shape. So I got dulce is the color I got. So that is cool. And it's $115 for that bag. All right, and then if you sign up, this says receive a free biotherm and moisturizer, 4 to 5 beauty items monthly. So there's some specials, and I have a code for you guys as well that'll give you I think a $45 gift. I'll put my code up on the screen for you because I gotta look it up. I don't remember what it is. So you can put that in at checkout. It's like an item that you're going to add to your cart. So you're going to search for it and then click add to cart, okay? And that's how you will get that. I think some people missed out because they didn't know how to do it. So we have this little, like, what looks just to be a little, like, makeup bag. Does have a little thing here. I could keep contacts or something in. And this is our beauty stuff. So let's see what's all in here. The first thing I think is like a portable to-go brush, maybe? I can go to open, and I don't know how to work it. I don't know what this is or how to work it. All right, so I think it's a brush, but I can't open it. And I'm afraid I'm gonna break it. I don't wanna break it. So anyway, I think it's a brush. a portable brush, but I'll have to see if somebody else can figure it out. So I've gotten these before in other boxes. These are the Chelly Cosmetics in Frosted Pink and True Red lip liners. Great colors for the fall. Always love having lip liners, eyeliners. You could send those to me all day long and I'm going to be happy. And then it looks like maybe we got some Revlon lacquer bombs. We've got this one in, what color is it in? Oh, Lord help me, my eyes don't want to read this. I cannot read that. But I'm assuming it's like the red and the pink. Just like this. See if we can open. Yep, it's a red one. I'm gonna make a mess of this because I gotta try to get these off, and now I gotta cut the thing off. And this one's gonna be a pink, more of a nude. That's pretty. Yeah, that's more of like a pretty nude color. And then the red one, and these are the lacquer, so they have a nice sheen to them. Like they're almost like a tinted lip balm. That red is red though. Let's see if I can get this. See what happens. So that is what I got in this month's Bolzano handbag. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm really excited about the little purse. I think that's gonna go really cute with some of my outfits. So, and it's always fun to match up your purse to your outfit if you can. So I'll see you guys in the next video. I'll have all the information linked down below for Bolzano handbags. Don't forget to put my code in so that you get your $45 free gift. And you can sign up for a subscription, or you can just do a month if you want. I'll see you guys